Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see a nice collection of polycot sarees. They are very ideal for this summer. You can wear it for a function, small functions for this summer, and a perfect gifting sarees in very budget friendly prices. 600, 650. That's going to be the maximum which we are going to show in this video. We are going to show you two types. One is going to be a mirror work, and the other one is going to be a printed pattern. So we'll show you both the sarees. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848512999. I repeat, it's 93848512999. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a beautiful polycot saree. These sarees you can wear for the summer also. It will be very nice. This is a stitched pattern design. The border is stitched. It's a contrast border which is stitched, and throughout the body we have a beautiful block print, and in that we have mirror works. It's a lovely block print running throughout the body. Very beautiful contrast. This is the pallu of the saree, but all these contrasts are stitched ones, and the blouse of the saree is this, a running blouse. And the price of this saree is 650. We have some lovely color combinations in this pattern. I'll show you the other combinations. Sorry. The next is a beautiful, a lovely onion shade with a green combination. A beautiful combo and a lovely design which has been done in the body. All the patterns are going to be the same. So I'm just going to open a bit and show you. This is the pallu of the saree in block print, and the blouse is again a running blouse, and this is the body of the saree, a beautiful pattern with mirror work and block print, and the price of the saree is 650. The next combination is a nice neon green with blue combo. This is the body of the saree. You have lovely block prints in this. Very nice combination, beautiful combination. And the pallu of the saree is in blue, and the blouse is in contrast blue with green border, a nice one. The next is a nice violet with red combo, violet, and the border is in contrast red color, a beautiful pattern. All mirror work sarees, block print mirror work. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is running blouse for this. All the borders are attached stitch borders. Very neat work done. The next is a dark onion shade with green border, dark green border, a lovely pattern, beautiful design. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is again a running blouse. Very pretty patterns, lovely designs. This is a pink with a dark green, mehendi green combination. Beautiful pattern, a lovely combination. Nice dark pink with green, mehendi green combination. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is in contrast mehendi green with pink color border. The next is a dark Vadamalli. In that we have blue color combination, a lovely blue combo, a very pretty color combo. And the pallu of the saree is this, a beautiful pallu, and the blouse again is in running blouse, and the price of the saree is 650. The next is a dark green with red combination. This is the body of the saree, a beautiful dark green with red combo, and nice block print with mirror works and a polycot material. And this is the pallu of the saree in red, and the blouse is again a running blouse for this saree also, and the price of the saree is 650. The next is again a neon green with a dark green combination. This is the body of the saree, a nice dark neon green with a dark green combination, and the pallu is again in dark green, and the blouse is in contrast green color with a neon green border on it. The next is a beautiful violet with a blue combo. The body of the saree is in violet, a violet with blue combo, a lovely combination, nice sarees. And the blouse of the saree, pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is a running blouse for this saree. The next is going to be a dark green with maroon combination. This is the body of the saree, a beautiful dark green with maroon combination. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is running blouse. This is a lovely MS blue with pink combination, a beautiful pattern and a lovely color. All the colors in the sarees are very, very pretty. And the pallu of the saree is this, a lovely pallu. And the blouse of the saree is in contrast pink with blue combination. And the price of the saree is 650. The next is a beautiful orange with blue combination, a lovely combo. This is the body of the saree, orange with blue combination, a light orange, not very bright. And the pallu of the saree is in blue color, and the blouse is a running blouse, a very pretty combo. The price of the saree is 650. The next is a ramar blue with maroon combination, a nice combo. All the colors are really nice and vibrant and very pretty, beautiful design. And the pallu of the saree is this, dark brown, and the blouse is again a running blouse for this saree. Next is a lovely shade, different shade, grey with blue combination, a beautiful pattern, a lovely polycot block print with mirror work combination. And the pallu of the saree is this, a blue pallu, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse. The next is a dark green with more of an onion shade, dark green with an onion shade border, nice combo. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this onion shade, dark onion, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse for this. The last color of this pattern is again a beautiful blue with a nice sapphire green border, very, very different shade and a different combination, a very pretty pattern. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is in contrast blue with sapphire green with a blue combo, a lovely combination. And the price of the saree is 650. This is a dark green color combination with mustard combination polycot saree. This is ideal for elders especially, because it will not be thin. It's more of a thicker variety, and you can wear it for the summer, you can wear it for simple functions. So this variety will be really very, very ideal for gifting purpose also. Very, very good alternative to give for the gifting purpose. Both the sides we have a nice zari borders, and throughout the body we have a self-line design, a Doria pattern design running along saree. And this is the pallu of the saree, a contrast pallu, and the blouse is again a contrast one. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 600. We have some lovely color combinations in this, which I'll show you. The next is a beautiful a lovely violet color. It's more of a light violet, not a dark violet. A very pretty combination. And the pallu of the saree is this, light mustard and violet mixed combination, and the blouse of the saree is in contrast color. And this is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 600. The next is a pink with a green combination. The body of the saree is going to be pink. Whenever I show you the body of the saree, take a screenshot then. A pink with a green combo. And this is the pallu of the saree, a simple line pallu. And the body of the saree is this, pink with green. And the blouse is again as per the is in contrast colors. All the blouses are in contrast colors, and the price of the saree is 600. The next is an orange with a mustard combination. Lovely border, nice, neat, small border, cute border. An orange with a green combination border. And the pallu of the saree is this. And this is the body of the saree. And the blouse is again in contrast color. And the price of the saree is 600. The next is going to be in blue with a mustard combination. The body is going to be MS blue, and the pallu of the saree is this, a nice color, and the body of the saree is this. And we have a contrast blouse for this also, and the price of the saree is 600. The next is again a mustard with a double shade, more of a red and a mixed mustard. This is the body of the saree, a nice combination, and the pallu of the saree is this, red, and the blouse is again going to be in contrast color, and the price of the saree is 600. The next is a beautiful mehendi green with red combination. The body of the saree is this. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is again in contrast red color. The next is a violet, a purple with red combination. The body of the saree is in the purple color, and the border is in red color, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is in contrast. Sometimes it's a contrast color, and this is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 600. This is again the same polycot pattern, a very pretty combo. This is a peacock blue with a nice long border, pretty border, and I'll show you the body of the saree completely. This is the body of the saree, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is in contrast red combo, and the price of the saree is 600. The next is a nice pink, a bright pink with a green combo. This is the body of the saree. See? This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is in green color, and the blouse is in contrast green. This is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 600. The next is a nice sapphire. This is a sapphire green with mustard combination. This is the body of the saree, a beautiful color combo, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is in mustard color. The next is a nice coffee brown shade with mustard combination, a very pretty color and a cute border, small border. Some people ask for small borders. It's the body of the saree, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is again in contrast mustard color, and the body of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 600. The next is a mustard with green combo. The body of the saree is this, mustard, and the pallu of the saree is in green color. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is again in contrast green color, and the price of the saree is 600. The next is a red with a mustard combination. This is the body of the saree, and this is the pallu of the saree in mustard color, and this is the body, and the price of the saree is 600. And the last color in the launch, a beautiful magenta with a beautiful zari border on both the sides, a very pretty combo. This is the body of the saree, and this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is again in contrast mustard color, and the price of the saree is 600. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked this lovely collection. To To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.